Hi, Martin here from Bikes and Biscuits. Today's biscuit is classic chocolate digestive. You can't beat that. We've got Earl Grey tea. Thank you very much, Mark.
No worries, cheers.
We're here today with Mark, who owns a DR 350 Suzuki. He bought the bike not very long ago, but it got stolen and damaged. So we're going to help Mark to get the bike back to tip-top condition. So now we'll move on to listening to Mark's story. Okay, so we're back here. I'm just going to show you, I'll flip the camera around, I'll show you that some of the damage that they've done before we talk to Mark. I mean, this whole area's kind of really been damaged badly with the ignition ripped off for obvious reasons, trying to start the bike. They've damaged this whole area as well. Some damage here, but not too bad. When it came back, it had no side panel. Mark can tell you about that in a minute, because that's kind of amazing. They've really badly damaged this. That's such a shame. Apparently the tank was all pretty much immaculate. Really badly damaged this. Yeah, usual thing, trying to get the tank open. So it's not too bad, but you know, bad nonetheless. To see the full video, go to the video section on our channel, where you can hear Mark tell the quite heartwarming story about how he got his side panel back. It really is quite amazing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.